How to add images in Anki flashcards. Step 1. Open the Anki desktop app and choose or create the deck you want to add cards to. Step 2. Click Add to create a new flashcard. Step 3. In the card editor, place your cursor where you want the image to appear, either in the front or back field. Step 4. Click the image icon. It looks like a picture in the toolbar above. Step 5. Select the image file from your computer and click Open. The image will now appear inside your flashcard. Step 6. Add any text if needed. Then click Add to save the flashcards. Tip: you can also drag and drop images directly into the text box or copy and paste from your clipboard. And that's it.